Hey kids, it's Money Monday. Today, I wanted to briefly talk about individual retirement accounts, or IRAs. Your choices are a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. The main difference is with a traditional IRA, you get a tax break on the front end, so it lowers your taxes for that year. It then grows tax-free until you take it out after age 59 and a half. Then you pay tax on the money when you pull it out. With a Roth IRA, you don't get a tax break on the front end, but it also grows tax-free, and when you pull it out after age 59 and a half, it's tax-free. I personally would recommend the Roth IRA whenever possible, because if you start investing young, the majority of that money in that account will be the compounding growth that occurred, so your tax break will be substantially larger on the back end than the one you would have received on the front end with a traditional IRA. I hope this helps you understand the main difference between the two. Have a great week, and God bless you.